ZTX coin. Okay, ZTX coin. This is the logo, like the X logo. Okay, they're gonna be having the live sales on. Let me say IEO. Okay, IEO means initial token offering. Okay, so initial exchange offering rather. Okay, because and they have a very minute allocation for such purpose. So they're gonna have $70,000 worth of the token for sales on this platform. All right, for sales on this platform. So it means that if you like to be one of their one of their holders, you want to hold this coin, in the next 11 hours, this token will be live. So if you're logged in on the website on Gate, okay, you can easily set notification, or you have a countdown timer on your phone, okay, on your phone. So then you'll be able to participate in that. Now, briefly, if you'd like to participate in this IEO, which is a token sales on Gate, you should try to follow these rules. How to participate? First, you have to log into your account. Okay, you should hold more than $10 worth of asset on spot. So it doesn't have to be USDT, it could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be any crypto whatsoever, but its value must be $10. Okay, it means that the barrier to entry is very low, and to claim it is free. Okay, now let me explain that. On some other platforms, I don't want to mention any name. Okay, you are required to have their token. Okay, you are required to have their token before you could get any slot, okay, or any allocation through the IEO. But in this case on Gate, okay, it is quite different. Okay, it is quite different. So this also furthers, okay, it further lowers the entry barrier for anyone. Okay, so the entry barrier is quite low for everyone. So it makes it easy for just anybody, as long as you are a a KYC member, okay, you've done your KYC on Gate, then you have what it takes to participate in events like this. Okay, now it is a struggle for the highest, um, the fastest finger. Let me put it that way. Okay, the fastest finger. So you have to keep eyes on this so you can get in as fast as possible. So confirm the available shares from you, then click now. Okay, click now. So if you're going to be among the people that will be participating in this, make sure you do it as fast as possible. All right. So uh I'm logged in on my mobile phone. Okay, I'm not logged in on PC at the moment, as you can see right here. So, but first of all, if you're watching this and you don't have an account on Gate yet, okay, I will encourage you to create an account. Okay, then you sign up right there. So in case you're watching this, you know, make sure you sign up so you can participate in this platform. Now, I told you guys that this is going to be a deep dive into ZTX. Okay, ZTX by some other people it could mean ZTX. Okay, but I choose to refer to it as ZTX. Right, as ZTX. So ZTX is a Web3 Metaverse platform backed by Jump Crypto and ZEPETO. Okay, Jump Crypto. Who is Jump Crypto? Let's have a look at that. So we're gonna do a quick view and have a look at it. All right, this is Jump Crypto. Okay, this is the platform you can see. All right, this is Jump Crypto. Okay, because when people say that they are backed by someone, then you should definitely look at those who are backing them. Okay, those who are backing them should give you an idea of the power behind them, how powerful their backers are. Okay, so because you want to be investing in you want to be investing in a platform that have solid backers. Okay, that have solid people who are actually backing them up, right? So now a quick look at John Crypto will give you an idea of who this guy is. Okay, all right, from the website, Fire Dancer, the page, Cyclone, Thinking, Writing, Research. Okay, John Crypto is an experienced team of builders, developers, and traders who are excited about the prospect of Web3 and blockchain technology to revolutionize open, community-driven networks. Can you see that? Okay, Fire Dancer, the page, Silo, and all that. So you can see This is a very clean website if you ask me. Okay, so Financer is a validator client for Solana being developed by Jump Crypto and engineered to optimize networking throughput, resilience, and efficiency. So if you're going to be a validator on Solana blockchain, you should be interested in something like this. Or if you are building a project that happens to be a hard fork of Solana, they should look at this first. Okay, so if you want to know more about these guys, you should definitely have a look at their thinking. Another thing you have writing, research, they have validator security, careers, and connect. So you can if you click on writing, okay, you will see something like this. Some of the articles that are, or let me say, a blog post that has been published on their platform, okay, as far back as September this year. So this is the latest article on their platform. Did you see that? So these are the guys, they're not new in the industry. Okay, so these are these guys who are actually backing them up. Okay, they have ZEPETO. This is ZEPETO website. Okay, okay. To know more about ZEPETO, you can go right there to the website and have a look. So these guys are into games. Okay, they're into games. They're into metaverse. Okay, and they've got tons and tons of experience. You can see, you have the Squid Games. Popular creator world. You have so these guys are basically into games, entertainment. Okay, I'm going to say entertainment. So when you look at the backers, okay, one is into infrastructure, okay, then the other guy is into entertainment, okay. So that should give you an idea, okay. It should give you an idea of what to expect from this project. So if you go back to this now, um, you know, when I actually stumble upon a project, okay, I'm usually interested in the team lead, okay, because project sometimes it's not even about the how solid the idea is. It's okay if you have a project with a good use case, a solid idea behind it, but if you don't have a leader, leadership matters in crypto projects. Okay, leadership matters in crypto projects. So if you're gonna be investing in a crypto project, okay, you should be concerned about leadership. All right, you should be concerned about leadership. Very important to you because to me, if you ask me, a project is as good as the leadership behind it. Okay, do you want me to repeat that? A project is as good as the leadership behind it. So if a project have a good leadership team, okay, then they stand a high chance of succeeding. Okay, they stand a high chance of succeeding as long as they don't have a leadership challenge. Okay, that is my opinion, right? Okay, as long as they do not have a leadership challenge, then they stand a chance of succeeding. So if you look at the leader, okay, someone who is leading the pack, okay, if you look at the leader like someone who's actually leading the pack, and that person happens to be someone that have a lot of experience, okay, then it's a big deal. Okay, someone that have a lot of experience, it makes it a big deal, honestly. All right, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at the CJ. Okay, his name is CJ Chang. Okay, he's the co-CEO. Probably have no more than the CEO. So this guy is the co-CEO. Okay, so we're not seeing this picture right here. We are seeing this avatar. Okay, it's not a bad thing that we are seeing this avatar because they are actually into a game project, a metaverse project. So that's not going to be a concern to us at all. So the serial entrepreneur with extensive experience in leading venture and blockchain investments, okay, operations, projects, HR is human resources, okay. If you know how to handle human very well, okay, then it's really a good thing, okay, like you can handle human being very well because human beings are the ones that are actually going to be involved in the project, all right. So whichever project that you're working on, human being must be involved in it. Okay. At one stage or the other, it got to involve human being. Okay. At one stage or the other, it got to involve human being. So if human beings are involved, then you definitely need to, you need to manage them, because human resources basically it's also about human management. Okay, so this guy got experience in human resources. Okay, you have the founding member for early stage accelerator blueprint partners. Okay, early stage accelerator blueprints, blueprint partners. He's also a co-founder of Station Neo. Okay, so we don't have a look at Station Neo right now. Okay, so it is still part of our due diligence. So we're gonna have a look at it now. Okay, so what's up with Station Neo? Say Station Neo. Let me check. This is Crunchbase. I was thinking I will see the websites. Okay, let me check Crunchbase and check the profile from there. Okay, this is the company. What about the website? Okay, I think this is the website of Station New. Okay, Station New seems to be like a platform that is okay. It seems to be like a platform. Maybe Station New is a little working office incubating tech startup. Okay, this is the physical start. This is a physical project. Okay, it's a physical project right there. Did you see that? Right, it's a physical project. So I don't know why their website is not responding. Let me check. Okay, so this is Station New. Let me check again. All right. So he's actually a founder. Let me, he's actually a co-founder of Station New, a co-working space. Okay, they have a physical infrastructure. Okay, they have a physical infrastructure in Korea. Okay, an ICT focused incubator and co-working space. Yeah, you can see right there. Okay, and DSL. Okay, capital, a blockchain capital fund. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at DSL capital right now. Okay, so let me put that in the let me search for that. Okay, it is still part of our research. Okay, look at this. Okay, so this is not a small, look at this. Okay, it's not a small project. Really. So these guys, okay, this guy happens to be, look at this, okay, a co-founder of DSL Capital. Okay, it's not a small guy. Like, he's got a lot of experience. Okay, okay, he's got a lot and lot of experience. All right, all right. So for you to have been able to work with this, okay, a platform that have this kind of financial war chest is a big deal, honestly. So most of the firms limited partners are traditional, institutional investors, including investors, endowments, private foundations, financial institutions, sovereign wealth funds, and US pension plans. So Block Capital, a crypto-focused investment firm, has defied the depressed market to raise 800 $580 million for two new funds. The funding is split between 308 million for the sixth early stage fund, which will focus on newer companies and protocols in pre-seed and Series A rounds. Okay, and $200 million for the opportunities fund, which will target late stage investment from Series B onward. So the amount raised suggested there remains an appetite for investment despite the relatively subdued state of the digital asset market for much of the past year. So after the crypto market declined throughout much of 2022, coming to a head with collapse of FTX in November, so digital assets have struggled to escape a narrow trading range in recent months after a robust start of 2023. So the summary of all of this is that these guys were able to raise over $500 million. Okay, and this happened in September. You can see there was a news publication about it in September this year. So it means that they raised that amount of money this year. Okay, and this is the kind of guy that this guy is working with. ICT focus on the computer and co-working space, and DSL Capital. Okay, DSL Capital, a blockchain capital fund. Okay, so now this is something about these guys right here. Blockchain capitalizing it. Okay, so let me have a look at DSL Capital also. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at DSL Capital. So I'm gonna put that in a new tab. Just have a background of the founder. Okay, just have a background of the founder. This is their capital investment on LinkedIn. Let me see if they have on LinkedIn. Let me check. Let me check on LinkedIn. So this is LinkedIn. Okay, let's have a look at DSL Capital on LinkedIn. All right, so DSL Capital Investment LLC. Okay, this is the profile on LinkedIn. Okay, so now we're gonna have a look at more about this guy. Okay, so his name is CJ Chang. Let me see. Let's check him out on Google. Who is CJ Chang? Okay, let me check. No, this doesn't fit his profile. Let me check more. Okay, so I want to guess he's not a type of person that does lots of publicity online. Okay, maybe. So I'm gonna scroll down right now to have a to have a look, a deeper dive into this. Okay, so they're gonna be the startup supply is going to be like 7 million supply for the startup. So at least probably maybe town maybe like let me check again. 7 million, isn't it? So $1 equals to 100 units. Okay, by the time $1 will give you 100 units. So if you get like $20 to the allocation, you're gonna get like 14,000 units of this uh, token. That's what it means. All right. So and shortly after the startup, after the IEO, 100% of it will be available to you. Okay, 100% of it to be available to you. Like you can sell. There is no lock. There is no vesting schedule on what you buy in a public sale. So this is the intro to the project. ZTX is the Web3 Metaverse platform backed by Jump Crypto and ZEPETO, which is the largest Metaverse platform in Asia. Okay, largest Metaverse platform in Asia. I'm talking about this platform that you are seeing right here. Okay, this platform you are seeing right here. Okay, they claim to be that they claim that it's the largest Metaverse company in Asia. Okay, so ZTX aims to offer virtual social networking venues for avatars in addition to diverse add-on offerings such as portal games. Okay, so that is the intro. So looking at the highlights and vision of this project, so ZTX takes ZEPETO's technology, which means that technology that belongs to this guy, the tech that belongs to this guy. Okay, they take it, all right, and user base. Of course, this guy have a lot of user base. Okay, there is no doubt about it. Look at some games having look at some of these games, 5,000 views, 361 views, 3.6 thousand views, 755 views, 5.5k views, 5.6k views. Wow, 140k views. Look at this game. Look at these ones. Right? Did you see them? So these guys they have the traffic. Okay, they have the traffic, they have the crowd. Okay, they have the traffic, they have the crowd. So basically what these guys need to do is to leverage the traffic, is to leverage the crowd. That's basically all they have to do. Okay, that's basically all they have to do right there. So I'm looking at this guy's profile again. Okay, this is an elaborate profile. Okay, CJ is a seasoned entrepreneur with extensive experience in leading venture and blockchain investments, operations, projects, and HR. Founding member of early stage accelerator Blue Points Partners. Okay, co-founder of Session Neo. Okay, an ICT-based incubator and co-working space. DSL Capital, a blockchain capital fund. First investor to streaming. Okay, also known as GoPax. Okay, so the fourth largest central crypto exchange in Korea. Okay, do you see that? Okay, so and Dex Labs, okay, the second largest Solana based centralized exchange. Look at that. So this guy has a lot of experience under his belt. Okay, so based on this profile, um, there is a high probability that this guy, based on his experience, his leadership, you know, he should be able to make this project also a success. Okay, he should be able to make this project also a success based on all of this. No, this is a very robust citation, a very robust profile, and a very robust bio right there. Can you see that? So I'm investor and advisor. Okay, this is the token allocation, right? So I checked the token allocation. It doesn't appear to be bad, right? However, I was expecting that there was going to be a budget for marketing, because marketing is the bedrock of a project. Like a project needs a marketing fund, right? So I don't know. Maybe part of the community fund, maybe marketing is part of the community fund. Okay, because I kind of believe that the best crypto in this space are the ones that have, the good marketers behind them. Okay, those who have what it takes to market them to other people, across the world. So that is my idea. Okay, that is my idea about. Okay, that is my idea basically. Okay, about crypto projects. Because if you can market, if you can sell, then the sky is your limit. Okay, it's even the starting point. Okay, it's even the starting point. Because I've actually been able to work with a couple of crypto projects before. Okay, and I quite understand the crucial role of marketing. Okay, I vividly understand the crucial role of marketing. So it is usually very important, okay, in crypto projects. Okay, very important in crypto projects. So what I'm saying basically in the sense is that if you have a good market, a good marketer, then the sky is just your starting point. That is my belief. Okay, that is my belief, and I've been holding firmly and strongly onto that belief that if you have a good, if you have a good marketing strategy, you have a lot, you're going to achieve a lot. So, investors and advisors, 5.5%. This will reduce the selling pressure. This is a very good idea. Okay, this is a very, very good idea for the project because it will reduce the selling pressure. All right. So we have ZEPETO, also one of the partners. Okay, ZEPETO is actually holding 9.5% of the entire supply. Okay, then they have the core team going to be holding 16%. Community fund is 10%, as you can see. Initial ZTX liquidity, okay, across exchanges, that will be like 1%. Okay, that will be like 1% of the total sum. Then Genesis airdrop, probably they had an airdrop in the past, that's 4%. So when you give airdrop to people, it's still kind of a way to to market your project to the rest of the world. So it makes some sense right there. Excuse me, it makes some sense right there. So X2A reward, which is going to be like 35%. Okay, so if you play games, you get some rewards. So that is going to be a very slow emission. It could take years before they could exhaust this. So the foundation is going to be taking 15% and NM liquidity is going to be taking 4%. All right. So governance is about decision making. Okay, governance is basically about decision making. So if you're able to have some substantial amount of that token, then you're able to make a decision that affects the platform. Okay, so token holders may vote on ecosystem configuration variables such as fee structure and community treasury spends. Purchasing ZTX will create various in-game assets that enables users to decorate their homes and dress up their avatars, which will be minted as ERC 972 and ERC 1155 NFT. So these in-game digital items will be sold in a primary offering smart contract, okay, with all assets denominated in the ZTX. So the ZTX is the currency that will fuel virtually all the transactions, within that ecosystem. Okay, that will fuel virtually all the transactions within that ecosystem. So that's a big deal, honestly. So it is a big deal. Okay, so ZTX serves as the default and primary core currency within the economy, necessitating assets and experiences to be denominated in ZTX. So, in-game utility, players can spend ZTS in order to speed up or even skip certain in-game jobs that are associated with a timer. For example, a crafting job takes 10 hours. A user can spend ZTX to accelerate the timer by 1 hour. So ZTX will employ a token buyback program that is funded by a portion of the platform's revenue. Okay, that's kind of makes sense in it. So for vesting schedule, investor have a 2 years vesting schedule. ZEPETO will have 4 years vesting schedule. The core team will have 3 years vesting schedule. Community fund will have 10 years, so 3 years vesting schedule. While an initial ZTX security will have none. It is released immediately. The Genesis airdrop also released immediately. Okay, then the reward that'll be like 4 years. Wow. Okay, 4 years versus schedule for the reward. This is the foundation treasury will take 3 years, and market maker liquidity, okay, that is none. So this schedule makes sense because the sell pressure will be lesser on this project before the next bull market. So you should probably be expecting a lower sell pressure on that asset. Okay, on that asset. That's exactly what you should be expecting from that. So we have a token economics. Let's have a look at the token economics and see and try to make some sense out of it. So the native utility token of ZTS is used for governance, participation, in-game utility, okay, that is enhanced gameplay, access to different portal applications, and so on. Okay, and the default payment method for transaction in the ecosystem. To learn more about tokenomics and product design, please refer to the project website. So we're going to have a look at the website anytime from now. Okay, so this is the technical overview. Core pillars of this platform experiences include avatar customization, home and land customization, collecting resources, then harvesting, and crafting to create one's own asset and socializing with others. Further experiences such as asset sales, portal games, and convention will be available with product updates. So this is where the big deal is. Imagine that they have a game like this. Okay, they have a game like this, and they were able to sell this game to people on a platform like this. Okay, so if even if they're able to get like 50,000 active users, into the game, it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot. You're able to get 50K users to this platform. It's a whole lot. Okay, it is a whole lot of it's a big deal rather. It's a big deal. So they have the audience. The audience are there. Okay, the audience are there. They are here. So and because they have the audience, then they have the opportunity to actually, you know, increase in valuation. That's the right word for it. So increase in valuation. So okay, they're into gaming, they're into games, they're into metaverse, okay, decentralized gaming and all that. So they can easily tap into this audience. Okay, if since they're going to be a reward for their gaming activities, okay, then they can easily tap into that reward and get into this platform. So we don't have a look at the Medium article. Okay, this is a Medium article about their token launch. Okay, about their token launch. Did you say that? Okay, talking about their buyback programs. Did you say that? Okay, token emission by category. Did you see that right here? Okay. So last one. So they have this is their Medium article. Okay, and it makes sense to have a look. So this is also another one. As you can see, ZTX product launch a high level overview of what we are building, right? So we're gonna have a look at that. Okay, high level overview of what they are building. So can you believe they published this in November last year? Did you see that? So it means that this project, they've been on this project since a very long time. So this is my advice for you. Even if you're able to get an allocation on, okay, if you're able to get an allocation on gates, I would recommend that you should not sell now. If at all you're going to sell, okay, I advise that you only sell a fraction of it. Okay, that is my advice. Only sell a fraction of it because obviously, okay, let me check the profile. Okay, so that you can have an idea. Okay, this is their profile. So I'm gonna scroll down. They have 5.5K followers on Medium. That's huge. Mhm. That is what? That is huge. Okay, so look at this. So many articles about these guys. Okay, so many articles about them since August, since August 2022. Can you see that? Okay, where work equals passion. Like these guys have been around for a while now. They have been building for a while. Did you see that? And it is obvious. Okay, look at this. Since November last year, almost a year now. Okay, they have been building, and now they're now launching this month. All right, so look at this. Um, can you believe it's already November? 2022 has flown by, but you know what they say. Time flies when you are busy building, and that's precisely what we've been up to. Did you see that? So in August, we introduced ZTX and shared our vision to build a metaverse for all. Since then, we've been heads down, assembling all-star team of builders, designers, and operators to make that vision a reality. We have also rebranded to ZTX and launched our new website. Okay, so be sure to check it out. Okay, and of course, we are going to check it out. Okay, so sign up for early access to our upcoming beta. Okay, some people already signed up for this, I believe. So in today's post, we'll share our roadmap leading up to our ZTX beta launch. ZTX aspires to deliver a metaverse experience that entertains and empowers users, and our ambitious roadmap reflects our efforts to do so. And guys, this is something I'm gonna tell you something. Metaverse project we have with time again. Okay, nobody should doubt that. Nobody should doubt it. Metaverse project will have their time again. Okay. What you may have noticed now is that there's been a lot of momentum, out of metaverse project. Like you see the like of a mana, the likes of sand. Okay, they've lost so much value in the last few months. Okay, and this is as a result of the fact that we're in the bear market. People don't want to buy. Okay, people are selling. Right. So, but I have this idea that this guy also they are definitely going to have their own time. Okay, they are definitely going to have their own time. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Okay, absolutely no doubt about it. So in today's post, we'll share our roadmap leading up to ZTX beta launch. Okay, ZTX aspires to deliver a metaverse experience that entertains and powers users. Okay, entertains. I'm going to highlight that. Okay, entertains and power users. Do you see that? And our ambitious roadmap reflects our efforts to do so with a mix of product launches and set drops. We are excited to get you involved every step of the way. We hope this post gives you a good sense of what we are building here at ZTX. Without further ado, let's dive in. Right. So the ZTX light paper is a deep dive into everything we are building, the open world, gameplay, ecosystem, economics, social, DeFi, and much more. Okay, where this is the website. Okay, be sure to check it out. All right. So the ZTX Avatar Builder Beta wearable and drop. This will be the first ZTX app that we introduce. Our feature rich avatar builder beta will allow you to truly experience yourself as you design and build unique in-game avatar for ZTX. Okay, I would love to build an avatar also. So the avatar builder beta launch will be followed by our first wearable collection drop to give you a glimpse of what's in store. So when avatar builder, okay, this year Genesis Home Mint will be minting district home NFT instead of doing a conventional digital land sales as we make land free for all. Okay, so we will be minting district home NFTs instead of doing a conventional digital land sales. Okay, as we make land free for all, free for everyone. Okay, in ZTS, each home will be a unique 3D piece of art that can be used as a medium of self-expression while also unlocking your ability to participate in district level governance. Excited but confused, you will learn more about district now light paper. Okay, so have a look at their light paper if you want, and upcoming blog posts. So don't forget to follow us on Twitter and join the conversation in Discord to catch sneak peeks of the ZTX how to work and enter contest to win free mints. Did you see that? Okay, so follow us to get latest updates. We are coming soon. So they're going to have a ZTX marketplace. You can see first they have is the avatar builder and variable drop. Did you see that? The second they have ZTX Genesis on Mint, and third they have a marketplace launch. Shortly after the first variable collection drop, we launch the ZTX marketplace. You go to place for buying and selling digital assets that can be used in ZTX. So when to be, okay, dates to be announced. All right. So where this is the website. I like the way the content was actually structured this article. I love it honestly. So ZTX token, okay, this is the utility token and the quote currency as across ZTX initiatives. We aim to distribute the token into the hands of as many active community members as possible. We'll be working with exchange partners to make this happen. Okay, and that's exactly what they are doing right here on Gate Starter. Okay, Gate Startup. Okay, they're going to be having as much as possible in the hands of these guys. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you, does it? Okay, I hope it makes some sense to you right there, isn't it? All right. So I'm going to go back to the article, which is this. No, not this. This. Yeah. So we want to get into the hands of as many people as possible. Okay, so I'd like to probably cover tokenomics briefly. However, stay tuned for an in-depth tokenomics papers to be published. Okay, they're going to be listed on SEX and also on DEX. Okay, so the ZTX beta launch. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for, the first to enter ZTX. This is the beta launch, a world that empowers creators and communities to build, play, and earn. Right. So if you were to get early access and participate in future beta, sign up via their website, which is the website. Thanks for reading today's post. We hope you enjoy our content. So we want to learn more about us, visit our website. Okay, do a deep dive into ZTX right now, like paper. Okay, so this is huge. So I'm gonna clap for this. I'm gonna give you 50 claps. Okay, it's well deserved. And as you can see, they've been in partnership with ZEPETO for a while, and that is obvious in the way they tag them to the article. Okay, the way they tag them to the article. You can see right there. Okay, so that's the well delivered article, if you ask me. These guys have been building. This is the website. Did you see it? Okay, on the website, you can connect your wallet. Your Ethereum wallet can be connected right here. Okay, to trigger that you should connect to, you see it to a MetaMask. Did you see that? Okay, so that makes it easy for you to connect to a MetaMask if you want. All right, so I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to connect yet. So you have, wow, this is a very nicely built website. Okay, a nicely built website. I love that. I love that. Okay, so the lands are free. Okay, but building is not free. Okay, you have to part with something, and if you play the game right, and it eventually have a good number of adoption globally, then it will definitely pay off. Okay, I believe that. Okay, the house that you are building on the platform could mean something for you. Okay, you could sell the houses. Okay, you could become uh, a good member of that community. So look at this. Genesis Home Mint sold out. It doesn't exist anymore. It's already sold out on OpenSea. Okay, if you're doubting that, just go to OpenSea to have a look. Okay, just go to OpenSea to have a look. Okay, so you can see I'm expecting that to be loaded correctly. Look at the floor price 0.7 Ethereum. Okay, best offer 0.5 and total volume of what they sold 800 384 Ethereum. That's insane. Okay, based on today's valuation, if you pull out the calculator and calculate how much they raised through that, okay, 384, let me say 384 multiplied by 1000. Let me check the current price of Ethereum. Let me say 1580, maybe. So if you multiply that out, that is okay, $606,000 based on today's valuation, owns by 1,218 people. Did you see that? Okay, so all of these guys, all of these houses, they are sold out, sold out, sold out. Okay, sold out, sold out, sold out. Okay, did you see that? They were sold out real quick. Okay, those who got interested in that, they actually bought it. Okay, they sold them out right there. No time. Sold out, sold out, no time. Okay, sold out, no time. If you see that, that's incredible, right? Okay, that is very, very much incredible. All right. So now we don't have a look at this. Okay, we've confirmed that those things are sold out. Okay, if you're able to buy those properties, those homes, then you will be able to to move them to your land. Okay, to move them to your land. Okay, you can even build an estate if you want, depending on the amount of these homes that you have. So introducing the four Genesis districts, fashion, games, financial, and arts. In ZTX, each district will have its own unique aesthetic and experiences. You can join a district and unlock special benefits by owning one of the 4,000 districts home NFTs. Each NFT will be custom and immersive, serving as your home in the metaverse. Okay, so look at this. Okay, game districts, futuristic and competitive. Participate in games and tournaments to earn reward. Okay, look at that. Also, there's art districts, home to art creatives and communities, celebrating the potential of NFTs. Did you see that? Wow, that's also incredible. So look at this financial district where trade and DeFi takes priority. This is the financial district. Okay, it's going to cost more to own homes in the financial district, I guess. Okay, this is fashion districts, red carpet and runways. You see that a melting pot for designers, brand and fashion enthusiasts. Like this guy have a metaverse for everyone. Truly. Okay, if you like fashion, you can actually choose a fashion district and build your home around there. If you are into financial, DeFi trading and all that, you're a trader, you're an investor, you're into DeFi, then this is a home for you. They can connect with other people of like minds, of similar interests, right? So if you check these guys out right here, you see art districts. Okay, if you love art, work, NFTs, creatives, collectibles, then this is the home for you. You can build your home around these guys right there, isn't it? So it makes sense really. So benefit of ownership, immersive, access, boost, and tickets. So you actually your actual home in ZTX, enjoy unique in-game trades and experiences, access membership to take part in ZTX district governance, okay, boost economic engine that opens new options in additional in-game plays. So now they promise on the website right here that um virtually all the transactions on the ZTX ecosystem will be fueled by ZTX token. Okay, but the token is just newly launched now. So you won't you'll be wondering, why are they selling this land, this asset, these homes? Why are they selling these homes? Can you see them? Why are they selling them for Ethereum? The reason is quite simple. They don't have marketplace yet. Okay, they don't have marketplace yet. So the marketplace is part of their roadmap. Okay, the marketplace is also part of the roadmap. Okay, so but later on you're gonna have their own marketplace, and you can only buy and sell with CTX token, and that will create a massive value, a massive utility for that token. So become one of the earliest CTX community members. Okay, so look at this. Okay, this is really awesome. Avatar builder. Create a 3D avatar with customizable variables and cosmetics. You can try that if you want. Okay, maybe on a, or maybe on a different tab. But you have to connect your wallet first. That's quite important. Okay, if you want to enjoy that. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, then I'll scroll down once more. Okay, once more. So we are where we are going. Avatar builder, create a full body 3D avatar with customizable variables and cosmetics. 3D viewing and in-game metaverse support in the future. So Genesis Zone means okay, that's in the future. You can see right here 4,000 unique and massive in-game NFT minting on Arbitrum. Each NFT will be metaverse compatible and have access to ZTX district governance. So Arbitrum will make sense because it allows for low transaction fee. So variable collections, you can say ZTX variable lets anyone create his customized and one of a kind style for your avatars. These avatars will be used in game in the future. So look at the beta launch. Explorable free digital land for all, an in-game use of Genesis, homes, avatars, and variables. So this is going to be a token launch. Okay, refer to our light paper to learn more about ZTX token. Okay, beta downtown. Okay, first experiential area and open world concept of CTX. So these guys they've been building it for a while. It took them a while to get here. Okay, it took them a while to get here, and you should definitely make sure that um, you pay attention to this project. Okay, so we're discovering it right here today, and make sure you participate in the startup sales. Okay, for free. Just get some allocation for free. Okay, it is free. Don't be in a hurry to sell. That's my advice for you. Okay, don't be in a hurry to sell. Okay, I'm definitely when I get allocation of this, I will not be in a hurry to sell. Okay, because this could worth something good in the next bull market. All right, because the versus schedule makes sense to me. Okay, and it's something you should just be able to hold for a while. So, guys, that's it for today. A deep dive review. Okay, and I believe that it's deep enough, right? So make sure you hit the follow button right now. Start following me now. Okay, that's quite important. Follow me right now, and ensure that you follow me and like this video. Okay, like this video. That's also important. Right? So that's it, guys. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.